Imagine a hungry kitten, an empty milk bowl. And so begins the adventures of a Persian kitten who goes in search of a sip of milk and encounters one calamity after another.
They say the early bird the worm shall taste. Then rise, O kitten, wherefore sleeping waste? The fruits of virtue? Quick! The early bird will soon be on the flutter. Oh, make haste. No question makes of eyes of nose, but right or left, as strikes, the kitten goes. Yet why, although I toss it far afield, it still returneth, goodness only knows. And lately, when I was not feeling fit, bereaved alike of piety and wit, there came an angel shape and offered me a fragrant plant and bid me taste of it. 'Twas that reviving herb, that spicy weed, the catnip, though 'tis good in time of need. I'll feed upon it lightly, for who knows to what unlovely antics it may lead. Some for the glories of the soul, and some mew for the proper bowl of milk to come. I take the fish, and let your credit go, and plead the rumble of an empty tum. Strange, is it not, that of the numbers who before me pass this door of darkness through, not one returns through it again, although oft times I've waited here an hour or two. Up from the basement to the 7th flat I rose, and on the crown of fashion sat, and many a ball unravelled by the way, but not the master's angry ball of scat. Then to the well of wisdom, I, and lo! With my own paw I wrought to make it flow, and this was all the harvest that I reaped. We come like kittens and like cats we go. And that perverted soul beneath the sky they call the dog. Heed not his angry cry, not all his threats can make me budge one bit, nor all his empty bluster terrify. Wake! For the golden cat has put to flight the mouse of darkness with his paw of light, which means, in plain and simple everyday, an oriental speech, the dawn is bright. כל אחד רוצה להיות חתול. כל אחד כן, כל אחד כן, כל אחד רוצה להיות חתול. כל אחד כן, כל אחד כן, כל אחד רוצה להיות חתול. כל אחד כן, כל אחד רוצה להיות חתול. כל אחד כן, כל אחד כן, כל אחד רוצה להיות חתול.